All right, so today's lesson is topic 6, which is on combining systems. So just a quick review on simple machines and what are the simple machines. So we've already talked about these in quite a bit of detail already. So we have the inclined plane, the wedge, the lever, wheel and axle, the screw, and a pulley. So those are the 6 simple machines that we've been talking about. And when you put simple machines together, they are no longer called simple. They are then called like a combination. So most modern machines, they are combinations of dozens or even hundreds of simple machines that are working together to carry out a precise function. When a simple machine is part of a larger system, then it is called a subsystem. So let's take a look at our example here. We're looking at the braking system in a car. They are called disc brakes. So let's take a look at all the combinations here. So in the brake system, the brake pedal subsystem, it's a class 2 lever. So when the driver, for example, is pushing down on the brake pedal, that would be the effort force. The load will be the force on the piston that applies pressure on the brake fluid in the master cylinder. So here's the brake pedal, here's a foot pushing down on it, and here's that brake fluid, and there's that piston. So as the driver pushes down harder on the brake, the effort force will increase, and the effort force increases the pressure that's transmitted in the brake fluid. All right, and then from the master cylinder, which was here, the brake fluid flows through these tubes, and which will branch out to every wheel. So here is one such wheel. That brake fluid then will exert pressure on the brake pads. So the brake pads are here and here. Those are going to press on the disc, and then there will be friction between the brake pads and the disc, and that will slow down and eventually stop the car. All right, here's another example. This is the backhoe, also called an excavator. It's a combination, a highly efficient combination of levers as well as hydraulics. So it's a rotating combination of three levers. The 3 levers, you got the boom part here, the dipper, and the bucket. Okay, and then it's all mounted on the caterpillar tracks shown here. All right, so the assembly swings around on a gear-like part that's called a slew ring, shown here. It's powered by hydraulics, and then the 3 levers combine to place that bucket in any position. Okay, so this boom, that's a class 3 lever. It's going to raise or lower the dipper. The dipper is a class 1 lever. It moves the bucket in and out. And then the bucket itself is also a class 1 lever. It can tilt to dig a hole, and then it can also empty its load of dirt or other material. All right, so I have a video to show here on the mighty mathematics of the lever. I'm going to pause here.